Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Delia. I would highly appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and become a part of the family. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute glitter pink look. And I'm going to be also reviewing this eyeliner that I got. It's from ThaKid, and I will leave all the links down to the products down in the description box. I'm also wearing one of these shirts from my haul video, and I'm probably not wearing it the right way, but that's okay. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Be sure you guys subscribe, share my videos, turn on your post notifications, and like this video for me. Let's just get started. Alright, so as you guys can see, my eyebrows are done and my lids are already primed. I do my eyebrows off camera, but if you guys want to see how I do my brows, then just leave me a comment down below. I'm wearing the gray onesie that I showed you guys that I got from Boss Babes Boutique. I did in my previous haul video. It's comfortable. This right here is itchy because it has these, and I don't want to cut them off because when I hang it, I need that part because you guys can see it's really low V, and in the back it's the same thing as the front. So yeah, I kind of need these straps, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, so yeah, let's just get right into the makeup. I'm gonna move a little closer. So today's palette that we're gonna be using is Beirut's Low and Slow. This palette, sorry y'all, I'm trying to slide it out the thing. This palette is hella cute. It looks like this. I just dipped my nail in that one, I think. It looks like this. These two are shimmers, the rest are mattes, and the pigment is so good, you guys. I've been using this palette for all my recent looks that I've been doing, and it kills it every single time. So I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box to their website where you can get this, and also their Instagram. And yeah, go support and get you a palette. They also have lashes and clothes. So my lids are already primed, and I need to get my brushes out. The first color that we're going to be using, if I can find the right brush, is going to be Skirts. It's this cute baby pink, and we're going to be putting that into the crease. So with the same blending brush, I'm going to go in with this color right here, Calle. I'm like horrible at Spanish, you guys, but I'm a proud Mexican. And I'm going to be putting this purple into my crease. So this is my ring light. It clips on to my phone, and it's hella cute, you guys. I just want to show this real quick. It is a unicorn. So yeah, this is the first lighting, then this is the second, and this is the third. So it's really cute. And I'm gonna just clip it on my phone real quick. Okay, so this is what it should look like so far. I feel like this ring light's not really working, but you guys, in person, this palette's really pigmented. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of cut the crease halfway, just a little bit, and then we'll go from there. You guys know that this foundation is my go-to for my concealer, just because this one was too white for me, so I have to use it as my concealer. I'm taking this flat shade brush. This is from Shop Miss A's AOA Studio in the E115. This is what I use to carve out my brows and cut my crease. Be going too far up, I'm just going to be going on my actual lid line. Alright, so now that we cut the crease a little bit, we are going to go in with that pink skirt shade again right here, sorry, and we're going to put that where we concealed. So now that we got the lid color on, we're gonna go back in with Gaia, the purple, and we're gonna go and kind of deepen the purple in the crease. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Flakes, this pink glitter. It looks like this. My ring light is dying, no wonder it's not. But this is super cute. And the thing about the glitter is it's not like a it doesn't have like the cream in it, so it's literally just glitter. Like it falls out a lot, which isn't bad for me. Sometimes I have to spray my brushes, but this time we're just gonna go in with our finger and just tap that on the pink. Just like that. I only need a little bit. See, you guys see the fallout? Just like that. I'm going to be applying liner and lashes, and I'm gonna be doing a quick review on this liner. Y'all, this thing is starting to become real itchy. But anyway, all right, so the liner that we're going to be using today is called The Kid 2-in-1 liner. It is an adhesive eyeliner, which means that it has glue in it, and it's supposed to help people who have trouble putting on their lashes kind of do it better. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's hella cute. I really like it. Am I supposed to take this part? No, I don't think I'm supposed to take it off. Anyway, so it has the cute little logo right there. I'm gonna leave the link down to the website and their Instagram also in the description box. And by the way, everything that I'm using is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not sponsored. The only thing that I do have a discount code for is the shirt, and everything else I paid for. So, which is, I'm not complaining about it. Support your people. Anyway, we're gonna go in with this, but first I'm gonna get my lashes ready. These are my lashes that I'm using today. So I'm gonna be doing a, what just happened? That was weird. Okay, there you go. I think I just pulled it too hard. So I'm just gonna make a regular wing. So just my regular wing. You guys can definitely feel the adhesive. It feels very sticky. My glitter is actually getting on it, which I'm gonna have to clean that off. But it's pretty pigmented. It's going on. I'm trying to push it more into my lash line because that's exactly where I put my lashes. So I don't know how fast I have to be, but I'm gonna hurry up and put my lash on. I have never tried an adhesive eyeliner before. This is my first time trying. I kept seeing it and I'm like, you know what, I have to try it out. We're gonna test it right now. Hold on, y'all. $10,000 cash right now to move out of this apartment while we deal with the divorce settlement. Ralph, stop. Look, I made a mistake. Mistake? Yes. A mistake is a parking ticket. You're not thinking clearly. In fact, Rafael was thinking. Hold on, you guys. You screwed my best friend. Well, stop thinking about that. Think about Jane. See, that was part of the problem as well. He had been thinking about Jane. Listen, can you do me a favor? Y'all, hold on. Today? Oh my god. Of course. Thank you. I love you. I love you too. Sweet. My lash is really glued on. You disgusting, Tom. I'm trying to get the edge to kind of stick on a little bit more. And because... Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Because I think this is legit ass liner. I'm gonna make my wing, oh my god. I'm gonna make my wing a little bit thicker just because I feel like it's like not that thick. What are you doing here? Look, I wanted to apologize for last night. You're right, okay? Look, I think we should just... Honey, you guys, this is insane. Oh my god, my lash is really on as if I put glue. Because he knows what he's about to say may change Jane's feelings about what. Okay, we're gonna do the other side real quick. The only thing I'm having an issue with is that my glitter keeps sticking to it. So let's see. Happy, stable home. No, but really, what are my options? Y'all ever go through them days where one of your wings just don't want to turn out right? Cooperate with me, sis. Like, come on, bro. Just let me know which way you're leaning towards, baby, no baby. No closet. Got it. Oh my god, that is so not cute. And it's not the eyeliner, it's just like me. What the hell? The eyeliner is great, but I feel like you just can't use it with glitter. Like, my glitter is really sticking to it. And just clean it up, I think, with this. I be looking at like this one, I'm like, why are you so sharp? Yet your sister over here don't want to be. So the lash, y'all, where did the lash fall to though? Bro, really? Okay, so I gotta do this before it freaking dries. Understand that Daniel had dreamed of this moment since he learned he had a daughter. Guys, this should really work, y'all. Hold on, I gotta make it thicker again. I wonder if I just put super glue at the bottom of this, like, will it work? Because, honey, you keep falling out. yeah, the liner really works. My lashes are glued up on there. Y'all gotta get you some if you don't know how to put on lashes. I also, you know what, did a video, I think like 2 videos back, of me doing my lashes and how I apply them. But this is bomb. It's like really good. Also, if you don't know how to do like eyeliner, you know, just make a small line with it and boom, put your lash on, done. It doesn't really take a lot. I really like it. My glitter is sticking to the eyeliner, which I don't like. Shouldn't have tried eyeliner with this for the first time, with this glitter for the first time, but it worked, y'all. That's just the point, it works. So what we're gonna do now is do the foundation and bronze and conceal and highlight, and we're gonna zoom through that. The primer that I'm going to be using is Maybelline's Master Prime by Face Studio. It's the Blur and Pore Minimizer one. Today's foundation is going to be the Shop Miss A AOA Studio A Plus Buildable Satin Foundation. This is in the shade, I don't remember. I think it's sand. And the brush is also from Shop Miss A. This is the Urban Studios Buffing 205 brush. I really like it. Now what we're going to be doing is concealing. I'm going to go back in with that super light foundation and conceal. I'm going to be taking the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and a fat brush and just lightly bronzing. I'm going to be taking this Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moondance with my brush from my Shop Miss A AOA Studio. This is the F19. Y'all, this highlight is popping. And that is it.
Open up, UOPN.
So I hope you all enjoyed this look. It's really cute. Don't forget to click the links down in my description box if you want to check out where I got the palette, the liner, and also this top. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.